Hello guys, what's up? This is whbproductions and welcome to my channel. This time we are going to make an Instagram post design, and which is very simple. It's only a few basic steps and just a few design parameters that you need to take into account, and then you will get a really interesting and professional Instagram post. So you can share your content or your blog or your anything, your text or poetry, anything you want, your motivational quotes through this method, which is something that a lot of people do these days. So stay tuned and let's get straight to the video. So once you have opened Photoshop, you just need to go over here in File, select New, and you can write the name, and you can select the width as 1080, select the height as 1080 as well, select the resolution as 1080 as well, and you can make sure that this is RGB, and I'm using pixels, so you can select OK. Now once this is done, you need to drag and drop your background over here, pressing Ctrl C, press Ctrl V over here, and then you need to resize this background. So press Ctrl T. By holding down Shift, you can just go ahead and resize this background. I'm just going to place this background within the center, and whatever looks good, you can just fix your background over there. I think this looks good enough. I'm going to hit enter. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just go over here and select this icon over here, bring down the solid color, and I'm just going to drag the color to the very end, which is black. Press OK. Now we have this solid color layer on top of our background layer, so we are going to just change the opacity of this layer to 64%. Press enter. Now you need to select the new layer, and you can select the text from over here, or select T on your keyboard, press the text over here, and you can just write your motivational quotes or anything you want. I'm just going to type it. This is a famous quote from Unbroken. So you can write the author name over here or anything that is relevant. You can just type it like this. These are the dashes that I've used. Now I'm going to select Control All. I'm going to press I've selected the font as Morganite. This is the Morganite font I'm using, and I'm going to select the bold font for this text, and for the font size I'm going to select 11. I think this looks good. I'm just going to go ahead and press V on my keyboard, and I'm going to just center this. And for this text or the author name or anything that you want, you can just press T again, and you can select this, and you can just go ahead and decrease the size as well as the font style. I'm using the book for this one. So this has made the post a lot more attractive, and the attention has been diverted towards the main thing, which is the quote, and then the author name or anything that is relevant that comes underneath it. So I'm just going to press V on my keyboard and just going to make this centered again. So this method is really simple, and you can also see the background, it's really attractive. So, and the text is easily visible, so no other effects have been used, and the post has become very attractive as well and professional. So I'm going to select this text, and you can see that I've selected the font spacing as 60. I'm going to show you what happens if I select 0. So if I select 0, then this will if it looks attractive like this, then you can do this, but I'm going to select 60 for this purpose, so the text is a little bit more spaced. So this will complete our Instagram post design. If you want more tutorials like this with some effects or anything, you can just tell me in the comments. So thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like this video and share it as much as you can. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.